The Gold bike is as finished as I can make it, pending test ride. Oops, got to tighten up that left mirror. Anyway, the bike is stuck here on the lift until Tuesday morning when we'll do the tires. I don't want to take it down and put another bike up, such as the black bike, because once the black bike goes up there and starts being disassembled, it's stuck on the lift until the end of the job, which would preclude putting this one back onto the lift if I were to take it off the lift today. So it's going to stay there till Tuesday when we get the tires done. At that point in time, I can start on probably the black bike, except I'd really like to get my Norton and my Triumph started and running, because I'm going to take them to the rally with me in mid-June, and I got to make sure that they're runnable. They haven't been running a couple of years. So I hate to say that, but that's sort of the plan. I have all the parts for the black bike. I mean, it can go up there as soon as I can get 5 minutes to call my own. In the meantime, I'm stuck until Tuesday. So my good neighbor Richard across the street, who is an electrical genius, that's his camper over there, which he completely rebuilt inside and out. And he's over here now helping me put these two, actually helping me, I'm watching him, put these two new 100 amp hour high whatever they're called, lithium batteries in my rig in place of this one lead acid battery. So these are lighter, smaller, and a whole lot more power. So what we're doing over here, we're putting, here he comes, that's Richard. Okay, what we're doing is we're putting them in here. This is access panel to them, but not how they go in. They go in from the bottom. He's going to modify the tray by about 3 inches and then be able to put both batteries in there and hook them up. And I already have solar installed in this rig. It came with good solar and should handle these lithiums just fine. So that's what we're doing today. The adventures never end. Spark, very spark, very spark. I have a hose sitting right there, just in case. Ever try to take video with your eyes closed? There I am. All right, so sitteth my good buddy Richard over there, who just worked his buns off doing this. He built extended the shelf under here 3 inches. The two batteries sit side by side now, and we made new ends for all the wires, and it's just clean as a bug in there. It's lovely. So I'll show you. This is these are the batteries. That's a good thing. I'll go inside and I'll show you the controller on the wall. All right, this is the inside of the RV. Right now it's a little bit of a disaster because I have the manuals open. I have manuals on every single thing on this RV. I love manuals, so I collected them all. And this is the manual that goes with the solar controller, and this is the solar controller up here on the wall. I didn't install it. The last guy did, and I'm not so sure how it works. So I'm going to be reading the manual and making sure that it is set up to handle the new style battery rather than the old ones. So if anybody out there has any experience with all of this, be sure to tell me. I'm wide open to suggestions. So anyway, that's where we are, end of day. My little RV, 22 foot, a B+, and I'm going to go inside now, drink a lot of cold water because I'm really thirsty, and maybe call it a day because it's very tired out. Okay, that's all.